So we just took a video about making things ridiculously small, right? You probably have seen it already. And you will be laughing, but this idea really works, because when you make your goals smaller, it's easier to reach them, right? And each goal eventually will lead up like stepping stones to the overall bigger goal. Here's one example I have for you, which is a real life coaching scenario actually, which I went through with one of my coaches. Lexi, look in the camera, Lexi, look. So this person wanted to save $40,000 in a year, and I asked him, hey, can you make it possible? He's like, actually not. I'm pretty sure I cannot make it possible. So I was like, okay, let's make this goal smaller. Let me put the calculator out to give you right numbers right here. So 40,000 divided by 12. I asked him, how about you save $3,000 a month? He's like, maybe this is actually possible, but still it will be hard. Okay. So how about I asked him, if you save $833 a week, and he looked at me, that's more possible, but I still have to try hard to make it. But it's not impossible. So do you see what happened? From like an impossible to an, yeah, maybe, in only a couple of steps, in only making things smaller, dissecting the goal. And here's the kicker. When we finally went from this number to actually 40,000 divided by 365, which means he has to save only $110 per day. He was like, wow, $110 per day, that means maybe not buying this or maybe not buying this. He had a real comparison, an everyday comparison, to know exactly how much money to save and what maybe not to buy to save this kind of money. So this coaching stuff, this coaching methodology really works, because you take something big, you make it smaller, you have something touchable, a touchable goal, and you work towards this touchable goal more often to get to where you want to go. And you can do it. So become unbreakable, follow for more. It's Sascha from Potenzial, and reach out. Book a coaching session with me today to save some money or to make other things possible. It's actually today Lexi and Sascha. See you soon. Thank you.